What else do you have to do? You gotta just start investing. Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge. So, how you guys doing today? Just wanted to say a few things, even though I look a mess. So I'm on my way to go and get the car checked out. I have this car right here, and the car has issue with the check engine light, right? So the check engine light is messed up, and I'm going to go and check it out. And I just finished talking to the mechanic and everything like that. And one thing that I just realized is that, man, like, I actually enjoy the hustle and bustle of Turo. Like, I enjoy it. And like, to me, this is more enjoyable to do. Dealing with customers, I mean, sometimes it gets difficult because, especially if you're doing too many things all at once. But, you know, I'm actually enjoying the stuff. Like, I'm excited to grow the fleet. I have a big announcement coming up, so you guys stay tuned. I'm excited to grow the fleet. I'm excited for my Turo client, because I have a client that I manage their car for them. I've got 4 cars that I manage for them, so I'm excited about that. You know, plus my own fleet. I currently have 5, and I have good news on the way with adding some more cars to the fleet. You know, so everything is just going great, and I'm excited. I'm happy. You know, I'm very grateful to God for the opportunity, and to the United States of America. I'm grateful for America for providing this opportunity. You know, letting the banks have money to be able to fund small business people. You know, it's only in America that a Turo can be a Turo. Only in America that an Uber can be an Uber. Trust me. So I'm very happy about that. I'm carving my own small section in the American economy, and I'm very excited. You know, as you guys can see, I don't know if you've seen me smile this much, but today I'm smiling. So I'm very, very excited about that. So yeah, just wanted to quickly drop this quick comment about how excited I am about just the business, just about life. Hard work pays off. Keep on working hard, keep on hustling. You're gonna be great. You're gonna be great. Nobody's gonna stop you. You're gonna be great. Okay. Thank you.